Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable web hosting host, you're in the right place. In this video, I will cover everything you will need to know about Hostinger, including speed, customer support, features, ease of use, and also WordPress. Before I go into the details, I want to thank you for using my personal Hostinger link from the description below. Using this link will support me create more content like this without any extra on what you will pay for Hostinger. In my experience and that of many others who have used Hostinger, fast loading is a noticeable and consistent feature. Despite being in the sector of affordable hosting, Hostinger maintains quick loading times. As demonstrated, my website on Hostinger loads quickly. Installing WordPress in Hostinger is simple. All you have to do is go to Auto Installer under Website, click on Select under WordPress, fill in your website credentials, click Next, then Install. There you have it, your fresh WordPress is ready to customize depending on your needs. If your website on Hostinger experiences a sudden surge in visitors, you don't have to upgrade your hosting plan. Hostinger provides a convenient solution. You can instantly increase your premium web hosting plan resources for 24 hours for free with just a click of a button. Customer support is top-notch with Hostinger. The live chat support is available 24/7 and is quick to connect, providing great assistance. The quality of support I've received has been consistently excellent. There have been instances where they exceeded my expectations, such as restoring a database I had agreed to fully remove with the closure of my account. However, for tasks requiring heavy lifting, such as uploading a database that exceeds the size limit, they suggested that I pay one of their team members, which costs sometimes $20 and sometimes $40. Hostinger allows you to create up to 100 email accounts, providing you with the means to look professional and be easily reachable by others. The process is straightforward, and once you finish setting up your email account, you can link your inbox to Gmail for convenient communication. To keep a copy of your work, Hostinger automatically creates weekly backups that you can download or restore from. When it comes to managing backups, Hostinger makes the process simpler compared to some competitors.